Hi, my name is Peter Walker from Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how you do a double extraction with a Nova Simonelli Mythos Plus grinder matched up with a Wega Polaris EVD2 group. So obviously to start with you need to go onto your Mythos Plus grinder and select the double portafilter grind. You then grind your coffee. You then use your Dynatamp. I normally tamp twice. Place your double portafilter on the machine and then select your double espresso shot. As you can see, perfect extraction, beautiful crema, nice steady mouse tail flow, beautiful combination. So that is a combination of a Wega Polaris EVD2 group matched up with a Nova Simonelli Mythos Plus grinder, gives you perfect extraction every time. Thank you for watching a demonstration on our extraction from the Polaris and the Mythos Plus. My name is Peter Walker from Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au.